The pet pug was on its morning walk down this avenue, West Carolina, when a stranger got out of his car, pointed a gun, and took the dog. Now the family is devastated. Emotions ran high for Jamie Flowers as she spoke about her feelings after her pug named Nicholas was dognapped.
It's just like a hole in your heart. And, like another dog couldn't replace that.
Dog walker Ricky Monday walked down West Carolina Friday morning and was on her way back when a silver Corolla pulled up. The driver got out to ask directions, but then pointed a gun.
He put it up in my face and said, "Give me the dog or I'm going to shoot you right now." And so I had to let go.
The gunman took Nicholas and Monday's iPhone but did not hurt Monday. Nicholas is a black and white pug. The dog is 9 years old, has a curly tail and muscular, pudgy build. Flowers says she misses his fun-loving nature.
I like to just sit with him and just rub on his belly, and he just falls out on his back.
Monday told police the culprit was about 5'7" and slim. The Tennessee license plate number of the silver Corolla he drove was 284XGF.
If you cannot walk your dog in downtown Memphis at 8:30 in the morning on New Year's Day, then what have we come to?
Now the Flowers are posting signs and using social media to get the word out. Police tell the family the car the robber drove was stolen. The family and dog walking agency are posting a reward of $2,000. If you have any information that leads to the location of the dog, please contact Memphis Police. In downtown Memphis, Maria Hallis, Local 24 News.
Oh, thank you very much, Maria.